Vocabulary Tips. Episode 3 Essential Services Vocabulary. The Irish government published a list of essential service providers under new public health guidelines. They are workers who can continue to leave home to go to work amid the latest restrictions. These are jobs that the government said are considered to be essential. Thank you to all of them who work hard for us and our country. Agriculture and fishing, agriculture et pêche, agriculture, agriculture, fishing, pêche, to fish, pêcher, farmers, fermiers, farm laborers, ouvriers agricoles, animal production, production animale, fisherman, pêcheur, a farm, une ferme. Manufacturing, fabrication. The manufacture of food and beverage products, la fabrication de produits alimentaires et de boissons. The manufacture of workwear, apparel or footwear, la fabrication de vêtements ou de chaussures de travail. The printing and reproduction of newspaper and other media services, l'impression et la reproduction de journaux et d'autres services médiatiques. The manufacture of pharmaceutical products, la fabrication de produits pharmaceutiques et de préparations pharmaceutiques. Electricity, gas and water, électricité, gaz et eau. Electric power generation, transmission and distribution, production, transport et distribution d'électricité. Water collection, treatment and supply, collecte, traitement et distribution d'eau. Remédiation, activities and other waste management treatment, activités d'assainissement et autres activités de traitement. Disposal activities, activités d'élimination. Construction, essential health and related projects relevant to the COVID-19 crisis, projets de santé essentiels et projets connexes liés à la crise du COVID-19. Repair, constructions of critical road and utility infrastructure, réparation, construction d'infrastructures routières et de services publics critiques. Delivery of emergency services to businesses and homes, prestation de services d'urgence aux entreprises et aux foyers. Wholesale and retail trade, commerce de gros et de détail. Retail services, services de vente au détail. Beverages, boissons. Fuel, carburant. Medicine, médicaments. Medical products and devices, produits et appareils médicaux. Takeaways and food delivery services, plats à emporter et services de livraison de nourriture. Transport, storage and communication, stockage et communication de transport. Land transport, transport terrestre. Road, rail, sea and air freight, frais routiers, ferroviaires, maritimes et aériens. Sea and air passenger services, ports and airports, services de transport maritime et aérien de passagers, ports et aéroports. Postal and courier activities, activités postales et de messagerie. Accommodation and food services, hébergement et services de restauration. Hotels or similar providing essential accommodation including homeless, direct provision and related services. Hôtels ou endroits similaires fournissant un hébergement essentiel, y compris pour les sans-abri, la fourniture directe et les services connexes. Information and communications, information et communication, the publishing of newspapers, journals and periodicals as well as video, l'édition de journaux, revues et périodiques ainsi que de vidéos, television program production, production d'émissions de télévision, radio and television broadcasting, radio et télévision, wired and satellite and telecommunications activities, activités filières par satellite et télécommunications, internet and cloud providers, fournisseurs internet et cloud. Financial and legal activities, activités financières et juridiques, banking and financial services including banks, credit unions and post offices, services bancaires et financiers y compris les banques, les coopératives de crédit et les bureaux de poste, accountancy, legal and insurance services necessary to support essential services and vulnerable people, services comptables, juridiques et d'assurance nécessaires pour soutenir les services essentiels et les personnes vulnérables. Improve your French with Euro Languages College. Our tips will help you to get ready for your Junior Cert and Living Cert. Book your summer course now. Improve your French, German or Spanish in Ireland this summer 2020 at elc.ie.